All right, guys. Woo! Guess what, guys? It's pack opening Saturday. And this week, we're not going to touch the Diamond Pack because we want to save that for a Team Select Diamond Pack. And I get that next Tuesday. So, sadly, we won't be able to open it. But we can open up the Sigg Pack, the Ultimates, the Golds, 2 Team Selects, all the Premiums, all the Silvers, and the Intermediates. So, let's not waste any time, and let's get straight into it with a Bronze Pack. Okay. Not the best starts. Intermediate Vintage Player Pack. Oh, okay. 14 live season intermediate packs. Tucker, that's a nice card. Oh, yeah. And we are also going for Mentor, so any gold or silvers with high potential will be going towards Mentor. So, Mentor comes first, then upgrades. Nope, upgrades, combo, upgrade, Mentor, combo, etc. So, yeah. Okay, we got some good silvers here. We could use a lot of these silvers here. None there. Otani looking nice as always. Bueller, nothing there. Josh Donaldson, I can save that card. Oh, that's a nice Hughes right there. He'll be used for material. No. Okay. Reserves are full. And we got 50K. Nice. Alright. So first off, we're going to have to unlock Jock Peterson. I got him. And Trey Turner. I got him. See if I have any pitchers locked. I don't. Okay. So we got upgrade. We got a few upgrades here. We got Chad Green. His live card is not better than this one. So we got Jock Peterson. I will not be using that. Familia. We can use that. Nice. Let's go. Okay. We got Mentor. Do we want increase chance of getting hit first? Until the first hit occurs, if there's a pitch at the same grade position, increases chance. I like this one. Contact. Power. We have a lot of guys. Use Jock. Power again. And that post. 150. Nice. Oh, now it's pitchers. Okay. Okay. Starting pitcher substitution time will become faster and automate quicker. Huh. We'll go for the first one. I like that one better. Alright, so now we're on starting pitching. Oh, we need to do combos. Woohoo! Alright, so sorry guys, it's been a long time since we did a pack opening Saturday. We got Severino, Torres, Phillips, and Donaldson. Where is he? There he is. Going there. And yeah. The rest is history. I don't have a card level 20 yet, so yeah. Looking for... That's a nice Tucker card, I can't even lie. Looking for silver starting pitchers who could possibly help. Okay. Oh, I got another silver there. Looking for some primes. Primes. Okay, Harrison Bader. All right, a new Yankee Bader is. Votto. I don't know why I'm tired. I have to do a workout later too, so I don't know why I'm tired. I'm actually gonna do it right after I'm recording this. Come on. Okay. We're gonna keep all the pitchers. Center fielder, catcher. Alright, they're all hitters. Let's see. Will Myers. Oh, that's bull. Hell nah. Oh my. Alright, so we got 19 of these left. Got a gold. Nice. These two cards are good. We got the Kershaw for upgrade. We got the Yankee. So overall, we got 4 cards from that. Let's see. Kershaw. Davis, I can use Davis. And Chapman. That's nice. I'm liking that Chapman card. Nice. That's great upgrade material. Alright, we got live season silvers. Let's use these. Hoping for something good. Nope. Alright. Whew, we got 19 of these silver packs. Hoping for a prime here. Or some upgrade material. Let's see what we get. Okay, nothing from the first 10. I can use that Cole. I can use that Granderson. I can use that. Nice. Oh, God. The rest are useless, actually. Okay. That's pretty bad. All right. See what we got from these 9. Verlander can use for Amray. I can use those 2 for Mentor. That's fantastic. We got 3 premium live season packs. Come on. Okay. Okay. We'll use the gold packs first, because you can't get diamonds from the golds. Let's see. Okay. 7 golds. We got a decent amount of gold packs. Any primes? Nope. Okay. Oh, that's a really bad shuffle. Oh my God. Can use that Sanchez probably. Yeah, those are bad. Okay. We got 26 premiums. Hoping for some diamonds here. Let's go. We got one. Let's go. Who's it gonna be? We got Greinke. Can use that. Come on. Be someone good. Austin Barnes. Got another Jock Peterson. Can use that. Can use that Cueto. Can use him. I can't use Nemo. No. Okay. Dang it. Okay. Well, we got a diamond overall. We can't really complain, but that was a bit of an L. DeGrom, Nola, McGee. That was such a fucking... Woo. Man. Oh, yeah. We got 2 team select packs. We're only going to use 2 of them. Imagine if we get diamond or a prime from this. Come on. Please. Clay Holmes. Okay. That's not bad. Dang it. Let's see what we get. Torres. Okay. 5 ultimates. Oh my God. Woo! Singers Boy pack. We're going in. Not a diamond. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Francisco Lindor. It ain't a team, sadly, but nonetheless, it's still a Sigg card. And that's a nice Sigg too. Like, Jesus, that's a nice Sigg. Like that is nice. Nice Sigg for an Indians deck. We just had enough. Okay. Oh, we're gonna be full. Oh, the Granderson. No. Who am I not gonna use? Definitely not you if you're 54 overall. You can put Granderson in there. Okay. Damn. That was kind of an L. I'm not gonna lie, guys. But we move, and we got some upgrades. We got 2 Kershaws. Hopefully we can get him to level 20. Which we do. Nice. That's sick. McGee. Let's see. Come on, McGee. Ah, okay. We got Jock Peterson. We'll use the gold because we're on pitchers now, so. I got Justin Verlander. We're going to do mentor before we do that. Yeah, we have tons. Okay. Let's just get you. 200. Done. What? Okay. All sets of live players plus 3. That's huge for my Nolan Arenado. 2, 3, 4. 250. And we can't do anymore. Dang. We can't do anymore. Dang it. Okay, that's fine. Oh, we were able to do this one too. Oh no, we weren't. Huh? Dang, man. Okay. Well, guys, the rest is combo material. Okay. Let's see what we get from these. So we used all our stars on Mentor, and we got 3 levels. That's going to help us out in games, so. I can't really use any of these guys, so let's just go all out. We got a shuffle. Let's see. Jose Ramirez looking wonderful there. If I can get that card, which we didn't. Well, that's all good. Oh, Jet Lowry. Another shuffle. Ooh. Bregman, fuck off. I hate. Oh, Alex Bregman. I hate you. I hate Alex Bregman for that 3-run homer he had to hit during the Yankees game that blew us the series, and we got swept. Thanks to Alex Bregman. Thank you, Mr. Bregman. We appreciate you, man. Fucking twat. Can we get a shuffle, please? We got a shit ton of gold, so we're fine. Let's do this. Okay. I need a starting pitcher from these combos. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, I thought that was a diamond because it lagged. Okay. Fuck. Okay. Fuck. Okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have 3 more. Okay, that star pitcher could be very useful. I'm not gonna lie. Yes! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Fuck Justin Verlander. I'm sorry. That prime card is beautiful. But, oh, I'm so happy he's going to be gone. Because he's been selling so many games. You don't even understand. Let's check out his skills. Let's go! Ace. Fuck off. Ace isn't... it's alright. Let's see what we got from this next one. Rich Hill's even better. Rich Hill's even better. Rich Hill's even better. Rich Hill's even better! Woo! Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Is he going to take out Kershaw? Do I go full diamond? I don't know. I'll think about that off camera. Alright, so we got a few more shuffles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hoping for the best from this. I'll take that Reds player because he's a better starting pitcher than the one I just got. So, but the rest is all shit. Oh, okay. That's not bad at all. We got some great upgrades today. Jesus, look at this. He can